I think they like to do this work because it's like what they do in Burma. Most of the roofs are this because there's so much of it and everybody's so poor they can't afford to buy anything else. So they make it themselves. And it works excellent. If it's done right, 10 years. In the case of probably the houses they do, probably 5 years because they don't they separate the shingles a lot more so that it costs less. But I'm having them put the shingles like 4 inches apart, which is quite close. So if there's a strong wind or anything, it won't blow it off. But there's also, I have to tell you, a piece of bamboo that goes across and we make it a pattern of it on the roof that actually holds them down as well. So it'll be amazing once we get done. So bye for now.